Now weather go decide how your today go waka. Rain go beat, sun go fry. Make you no dull. This na Pidgin Vibes daily weather report. The weather for today go dey rainy and stormy for some areas. Good morning, my correct people. Now your weather plug they give you better breakdown for Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, Ekiti. Morning go cool small, afternoon sun go sharp. No forget your face cap. For rivers, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Delta, Edo, cloud they gather. Afternoon fit bring small rain. Umbrella no be bad idea. Abia, Imo, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, balanced weather. Sun go show, breeze go calm body. FCT, Abuja, Kogi, Kwara, Benue, Plateau, Niger, Nasarawa, bright and dry. Afternoon heat go rise small. Kano, Kaduna, Katsina, Jigawa, dry air dey blow. Hydrate well. Sokoto, Kebbi, Zamfara, hot afternoon go show pepper. Early morning cool small. Borno, Yobe, clear sky, strong sun dominance. Damawa, Taraba, Bauchi, Gombe, partly cloudy, evening breeze go calm everywhere. Coastal areas for Lagos, Rivers, Bayelsa, sea breeze go active. Fishermen make them shine eye. Highest heat go the north. Mild rain chances the south. If you dey asthmatic, dust fit disturb northwest. Face mask no go bad. Rain fit slow movement for Port Harcourt and Warri axis. Commot early. Weather no dey lie. Preparation na the real wisdom. And remember, so before you come out house tomorrow, check here first. Na Pidgin Vibes news we dey run am steady.